How does demographic data help urban planning? Imagine trying to build a city without knowing who lives there or what they need. It would be like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. Demographic data fills in those gaps by giving planners a clear picture of the population. This data includes details like how many people live in an area, their ages, races, ethnic backgrounds, household sizes, and whether they rent or own homes. When urban planners have this information, they can make smarter choices about how to develop and improve communities. For example, knowing the age distribution helps decide where to put schools, healthcare centers, or retirement homes. If a neighborhood has many young children, more schools and playgrounds might be needed. If most residents are seniors, accessible transportation and senior centers become priorities. Understanding racial and ethnic diversity helps create inclusive community programs that respect different cultures and languages. This way, everyone feels welcome and supported. Demographic data also helps with resource planning. If an area has a lot of young families, there might be a need for more childcare centers or parks. Conversely, neighborhoods with older populations may require more senior centers or accessible transit options. By analyzing these trends, planners can allocate funds and services where they are needed most, making communities more functional and comfortable for residents. Housing is another key area where demographic data guides decisions. Information about whether people rent or own homes and how many people live in each household helps determine what types of housing are needed. If many families live in small apartments, there might be a demand for larger homes or affordable housing options. This balance helps prevent overcrowding and ensures housing supply matches what residents want and need. Transportation planning also benefits from demographic insights. Areas with many young professionals might need more bus or train routes to support their commute. Neighborhoods with a higher number of seniors might require transportation that is easy to access and wheelchair-friendly. Understanding these shifts allows cities to develop transit systems that serve everyone efficiently. Community outreach becomes more effective when planners understand who lives in an area. They can tailor communication and engagement efforts to different groups, making sure everyone has a voice. For example, multilingual materials or meetings held at accessible times can encourage participation from diverse populations. Finally, demographic data helps shape policies that support community growth. Zoning laws can be adjusted to promote mixed-use developments that combine homes, shops, and offices. This encourages vibrant neighborhoods where people can live, work, and play without long commutes. Overall, demographic data acts as a guide, helping urban planners create cities that are responsive, inclusive, and sustainable for all residents.